can sit, you can lie. As long as you are relaxed, it's okay. The body which is relaxed, no tension, is able to store up oxygen better. So be relaxed. You can lie down, sit down. Then we begin. Take your breath in, by your nose, by your mouth, whatever you feel best. And let it go. Deeply in. And let go. Not fully out, but fully in. And let go. Fully in. And letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Fully in. Letting go. Okay, take it on. There's a rhythm. And of course your head becomes light-headed. And you become loose in the body. Tingling can come forward. Contractions. This is only round number 1. We do 4 rounds. Round number 1. Just get into the rhythm. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Come on. If you want to go deeply into the system, then just feel what you do. Don't think, feel. Thinking is the outer layer of the brain. Feeling is the limbic system, is underneath. And underneath that, we got that brainstem, the primitive brain. And we will go and enter into it. But first, we got to charge up. Go through the conditioning. Deeply in, letting go. 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 Okay, last 10 times. Take them on. Deeply in, go. Deeply in, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he comes. Fully in. Letting go. And stop after exhalation. Now you're able to time, if you like. That's okay. We all go for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or in between. Want to make sure this all works. I've been seeing astonishing results with this technique in saturation of the blood. After 1.5 minutes was going down almost to 30. That means the devices do not measure anymore. And then the body resets. Resets deeply into the brain, into the nervous system, the autonomic nervous system. Doesn't matter, just take it up. Later you will understand. Just relax. We have the capacity to store up oxygen. It's all natural and we make use of it right now. This is deep breathing, bringing oxygen to all the cells in the body. Thus it will change pH going up for sure. 100%, everybody. pH degree is going to be very alkaline. Whenever you feel the urge to breathe, you take them in and keep it 10 to 15 seconds. That's round number 1. The breathing is to open up even more in the body. The tissue is going to be opened up more. Next time, with the same charging, you will be able to store up more oxygen. And you get deeper and deeper into your body. So after the 10-15 seconds of inhalation, round number 1 is over. You go into round number 2. You begin to charge up again, deeply in, letting go. 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 Just take a moment. Learn about this rhythm of yours. It's a feel. You feel it. It's natural. And it works wonders. Life is a wonder. It brings you back in your full capacity. These are just conditions, preconditions. Afterwards you will fully understand. Not only be able, but also fully understand. You will be able to do so much more consciously. Oh, get it in, let it go. Get it in, let it go. Learn to feel consciously the symptoms of right practice. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. And deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. When you feel positively charged with the O2, CO2 went out, and you take one breath fully in, let it go, and you stop after exhalation. And you time again. Round number 2 should be easier. Going deeper. Opened up more tissue. More oxygen getting in. When you feel positively charged, you know, the symptoms, lightheadedness, loose in the body, tingling, contraction, it's also possible because of oxygen roaming freely throughout the body, affecting the nervous system. Then you take it in, you let it go. After exhalation, you stop and you measure once again, just to make sure for yourself. It'll work left or right. We do 4 rounds. Make sure it is over 2 minutes, at least. It's just awakening, opening up, capacity to store up oxygen, and all kinds of chemical matters occur then. No doubt, you can all read about it. Happens. You go deep into your system. Four rounds should be enough to get over 2 minutes, at least. Freedom, open up your understand as possible. Freedom begins in the mind. Being kind, being okay, just finding your way through all the currents and the channels anyway. In the deepest layers of ourself, getting back connection. Like a bird up in the sky, flying high, flying low, knows how to go. Freedom's calling you. It is freedom. And wants to get through. Okay, this is about round number 4 past. May you finish your round, then we go into technique number 2. Just finish your round. It's okay. I'm going to build up little by little. Okay, you can remain lying down. Let's go into technique number 2. We do the same breathing to start with. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Just take them on. Systematically we go deeply into the nervous system, and it's being done by very simple practices. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Come on, take him on. Deeply in, letting go. Take him on. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. We go a little bit faster. Just take him on. Don't mind too much. Just take him on. The outcome is much more than the investment. Just take him on. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Deeply in, letting go. Come on. We do the faster. Faster. Go into it. Just go into it. It works. Come on, guys. Deeply in, letting go. Take him on more intensively. Let him in. Go. In. Go. In. Go. In. Go. In. Go. In. Go. Deeply. You want to go deep? You got to go deep then. Take him in. Go. Take him in. Go. 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 50, 49, 48, 47, 6, 5, 4, 3. Charge up your body. Come on. Don't hesitate. It works. 35, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Fully in. Now fully out. And now fully in. And keep it. Block. After inhalation block, contract abdomen. Then chest. Then the neck. Then your head. Close your eyes. Now you're able to enter into the brainstem. Squeeze it a little bit more in the center of your brain. 3, 2, 1. Let go. Okay, I hope you understand now. Now we go on once again. Make sure you understand. Don't block. Just don't mind too much. Come on. Deeply in. Go again. Deeply in. Go again. Deeply in. Go again. Find your rhythm. Be very systematic about this. Bring out the symptoms. Charge yourself up. It happens. It's just a chemical matter. Come on. Make it work. Deeply in. Go. 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 Just take him in. Take him on. Deeply in. Go. Deeply in. Go. Make it a rhythm. Like the Smiths bellow. Deeply in. Go. Lighten up the fire. It's the way it works. Come on, guys. Go deep. Just do it. No thinking. We want to go deeper into the brain. Thus, follow your feeling. Follow your charge. Come on. Deeper. Take them on. 50, 49, 48, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40, 39, 38, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 28, 26, 27, 25, 24, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, all in, all fully out. And now fully in and block. Contract abdomen, chest, neck, head. Closed eyes. Now you're able to tap into the brainstem and influence. Squeeze small over there, in the center of your brain. Naturally goes over there. 3, 2, 1, let go. Okay, to make it understand, one last time. One last time. Feel. Feeling is understanding. No thinking. Once again, deeply in. Come on. Seek for your rhythm. Find your rhythm. Go with the flow. Go with the sentence. Whatever you feel strange about yourself, just intensify that. It is the natural way of the currents in the body. You intensify. We're going to make use of that. Deeply in, go. 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 Come on, take them in. Follow their symptoms. Feel the symptoms. Intensify the symptoms. Just physiology. Magic. Magical physiology. Do. Charge him up. Get into this electrifying feeling. The nervous system. Do. Okay. We take them in. 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully in. Fully out. Now fully in and block. Contract belly, chest, neck, head. Closed eyes. You're able to go to the brainstem, squeeze a little bit more in the center of your brain. Not the jaws, just the center of your brain. 3, 2, 1, let go. All right. Take a minute break. 5-minute meditation or just sitting, feeling. Feel, that's all.